This is Gadgets Magazine TV, and here's the latest news.
San Miguel Corporation is ready for full cashless toll transactions by January 11, as it has completed its target 156 RFID stations last December 29. This is in line with an earlier commitment to open Autosweep RFID installation stations in more locations, particularly in offsite areas away from its southern expressways to reach more motorists. SMC, which operates the Star Tollway, NAIA Expressway, Skyway, South Luzon Expressway, and Tarlac Pangasinan La Union Expressway, said it converted all but one of its 66 dedicated on-site or toll plaza stations into 24/7 stickering stations. It also now operates 9 RFID centers, 18 gas station installation sites, 11 local government and LTO sites, and 44 mall sites. It also has stickering sites in 3 major transportation terminal hubs, 2 home builders depots, and 3 showrooms. 11 out of 156 installation sites are by appointment to manage traffic congestion in the areas. SMC President and CEO Ramon Ang said that while the company is expecting an uptick in RFID installations as the January 11 deadline approaches, the company is confident that there will no longer be long lines similar to the ones experienced previously.